Welcome back to Color Vistas. Sublimation shirts are an incredible way to express creativity, create vibrant custom designs, and even expand your small business. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process of making a sublimation shirt. From selecting the right materials to applying your designs perfectly, you'll learn all the tips and tricks to help ensure success every time. Let's jump in and start crafting your next masterpiece. Sublimation printing works by bonding ink directly into polyester fibers. This creates a vibrant, durable design that won't crack, peel, or fade over time. Choosing the right shirt is essential for this process. White or light-colored shirts made from 100% polyester deliver the best results. Shirts with a polyester blend, typically at least 65%, will also work, but might result in slightly less vibrant colors. Dark shirts or cotton shirts are not suitable for sublimation, as the ink won't bond properly. Once you've chosen your shirt, it's time to design. One of the great things about sublimation is its ability to capture intricate details and a wide range of colors, so don't hold back on your creativity. Use graphic design software like Photoshop, Canva, or Illustrator to create or customize your artwork. Be sure to scale your design to fit the size of the shirt and mirror the design before printing, especially if it contains text or directional elements. Print your design using sublimation ink on sublimation paper. Sublimation ink is specially formulated to work with heat and polyester materials. Set your printer to high-resolution mode for the best results. Once your design is printed, let the ink dry completely to avoid smudging. While waiting for the ink to dry, prepare your shirt for the transfer. Lay the shirt flat on a heat-resistant surface and use a lint roller to remove any dust or fibers. These particles can interfere with the ink transfer and leave imperfections in your final design. Position the sublimation paper face down on the shirt where you want the design to appear. Use heat-resistant tape to secure the paper in place, ensuring it won't shift during pressing. Set your heat press to a temperature of 375 degrees to 400 degrees. Place the shirt with the attached sublimation paper onto the heat press, ensuring it's aligned correctly. Cover the shirt with a Teflon sheet or parchment paper to protect both the heat press and the fabric. Apply medium pressure and press for 45 to 60 seconds. This time and temperature allow the sublimation ink to turn into gas and bond with the polyester fibers. Once the pressing is complete, carefully lift the heat press and remove the sublimation paper while the shirt is still warm. Allow the shirt to cool slightly before handling further. Inspect your design to ensure the transfer is even and vibrant. If you notice any imperfections, such as faint spots or uneven coloring, these could be caused by uneven pressure, incorrect heat settings, or improper paper alignment. Adjust these factors in future projects for better results. Sublimation shirts are versatile and suitable for countless occasions. They make great personalized gifts for birthdays, family reunions, or holidays. They're also perfect for team uniforms, corporate branding, or even starting your own apparel line. The durability and vibrancy of sublimation printing make these shirts stand out from other customization methods. Caring for sublimation shirts is simple. Wash them inside out on a gentle cycle with cold water to maintain the design's vibrancy. Avoid using bleach or harsh detergents, as these can degrade the polyester fibers and the print. Line drying is recommended, but if you must use a dryer, stick to low heat to avoid unnecessary wear. For those looking to add even more flair to their sublimation shirts, try combining sublimation with other techniques like vinyl overlays or embroidery. You can also experiment with gradients, patterns, or unique textures in your designs to make them even more eye-catching. Sublimation shirts offer endless opportunities for creativity and customization. Whether you're crafting for fun, making gifts, or starting a business, mastering the art of sublimation will open up a world of possibilities. And that's everything you need to know to create a stunning sublimation shirt. With the right tools, techniques, and materials, you can bring your ideas to life in vibrant, lasting prints. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your skills, sublimation printing is a fantastic way to express your creativity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation tools and supplies where applicable. Visit my website for more tips and inspiration. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite sublimation shirt designs in the comments. See you in the next video.